In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Pinterest app on Android. We'll use the official, safe method through the Google Play Store, so you get the authentic app without any risk. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You'll find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. If you don't see it right away, try using your phone's search function to locate Play Store. This is the trusted marketplace for Android apps and the recommended way to install Pinterest. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Play Store and type Pinterest. You're looking for the app with the familiar red and white P logo. It's the popular one with over 1 billion downloads, which is a good sign you're in the right place. Checking the logo, ratings, and download count helps confirm you're selecting the official app and not a lookalike. Now tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading the app to your device. You'll see a progress indicator showing the download and installation status. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed and storage space. If your connection is slow, be patient. Staying connected to a stable network can help the process along. Once the installation finishes, tap Open. That's it. You've launched Pinterest from the Play Store. You can also find the Pinterest icon added to your home screen or app drawer for quick access anytime. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts inside the app as it introduces you to the experience. If you're new to Pinterest, here's a quick overview of what it does. Pinterest is designed for discovering and saving ideas across just about any interest you can imagine. Fashion, food, DIY projects, home decor, travel inspiration, and much more. As you explore, you can save images called pins to boards you create. Boards help you organize your finds into collections like dinner ideas, vacation spots, or outfit inspiration, so everything is easy to revisit later. The search feature is powerful, letting you look up creative ideas and current trends, and the app's recommendations adapt to what you like over time, making it easier to uncover fresh inspiration. To recap, open the Google Play Store, search for Pinterest, tap Install, wait for the download to complete, and tap Open. Using the Play Store keeps things simple and secure, and within minutes, you'll be ready to discover, save, and organize ideas that inspire you. Enjoy exploring Pinterest on your Android device.